Thank you for choosing to trust us with your window tint for your vehicle. We are proudly now a 3M Pro dealer, which means we only exclusively have 3M automotive window films. As you will see in this video, we offer 3 different lines of film in a variety of shades that you will be able to choose once you come in and drop your car off. The Obsidian series delivers strong performance at an affordable price. It rejects up to 44% of the total solar energy and blocks up to 99% of the ultraviolet light. The Ceramic IR series has great infrared heat reduction due to the absorptive nano-ceramic technology, rejecting up to 63% of the total solar energy and also blocking 99% of the ultraviolet light. 3M's Crystalline series features a proprietary multi-layer optical film nanotechnology that combines over 200 layers in a film that is thinner than a Post-it note, rejecting up to 62% of the total solar energy and blocking 99% of the ultraviolet light. We have set up a demonstration to help show you how each film performs in front of a heat lamp. The shades shown in the demonstration are 5% in Obsidian, 70% in Ceramic IR, and 70% as well in the Crystalline film. As you can see, just because you choose a darker film does not necessarily mean it will hold out more heat. The Ceramic IR film and Crystalline film outperform Obsidian by a significant amount of time, as you can see. We hope this helped you decide which film you would like to go with. You can always come in to discuss it or give us a call. We appreciate your business and support.